Hey guys, Jeff Goldtrap here in Nashville. This is a three-part series, How to Defend a Domestic Violence Charge. Part 1, Alibi. Alibi is a perfectly valid criminal defense found in Tennessee law and in Tennessee procedures. So it's perfectly valuable. The alibi defense is one that says, I wasn't there. Okay, not that a crime didn't happen, not that anything, I wasn't there. I cannot physically be in two places at the same time. Therefore, if I'm not here, I must be somewhere else. So prove that I was somewhere else. For example, let's say that somebody says I assaulted them on Friday night at 7:30. And they're sure it was absolutely Friday night, and it was maybe 7:30. Well, it could have been 8 o'clock. Okay, nail down, part of your defense is nail down as much as possible the time and day of the offense. Sometimes that'll be in a criminal warrant. Sometimes the warrant will say this occurred on a certain time. Sometimes you'll see the police were called to the address at this particular time and arrived 10 minutes later or whatever. Well, then the assault should have happened just before that. But as much as possible, nail down the time and day. Then the alibi defense says I was somewhere else. For example, a very easy one. Maybe the person was incarcerated on other charges. Okay, this occurred on, Friday at 7:30, and we can find from court records that my client was incarcerated at about this time. Okay, physically cannot be at the house assaulting somebody. If there are witnesses that will put you somewhere else at the same day and time, that is also what's called an alibi defense. Alibi is I wasn't there. I physically could not have done this crime. I was not there. Think about specifically the crime that we're alleging, domestic assault. And here, domestic assault by physical contact. If there's other allegations, for example, domestic assault by a threat. I once defended a case where the person said, this individual called and threatened me on a certain day and time. Well, I had a photograph of that individual at a national park, way down deep in the bottom of a cavern. They were out with friends and family exploring this national park. So the question was, how do you make a phone call and threaten somebody from down in the depths, 100 feet down below the surface, in a cave? And of course, the alibi defense is you weren't there, you weren't physically able to make the threat, or you were not there to make that assault. So, how do we defend a domestic violence charge? The alibi defense. I'm Jeff Goldtrap in Nashville. Hope you're having a great day. If this creates questions, ask them in the comments. Text my number. Send me a message. There's a variety of ways to reach me. I look forward to helping you. Go out there and make it a great day.